It's currently Saturday, the 13th of December, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's like 5:30 right now. Just decided to get up. I don't have sleep in me anymore, and thought I'd just do a video. I've never done a video before going to work, so I was just gonna work out and then eventually go to work in about 2 hours. But I just wanted to make a video. I haven't made one of these videos in a long time. I've been kind of like not in the right state, I guess, or like not that I didn't feel like, I kind of feel like I didn't want to do it, but I'm like I have to. But at the same time, there wasn't really much I wanted to say yet. That's why I didn't want to make a video. And now I've got something to talk about. So I entered a trade last week Friday. I saw indication. Okay, this was a UK 100. So my thought process was, price was buying up, right? And then it stalled. Like it was just stalling. So okay, if price doesn't want to move up, then it wants to move down. If price wants to move down, then it wants to move up. So what it did was it gave me an indication on the 4 hour. Then I scaled into the 1 hour, looked for my lower high, entered off that. That was on a Friday night. And then price looked like it was on a downtrend on that daily time frame, because I marked out a level of buyers, and then it just started selling off. And then I held it for like about a week, almost a week, like till Thursday. And the whole time I was just checking in, like opening. I think the most profits I saw was like $90, but that one trade would have made back every loss that I had on that funded account. But I started to pass the challenge. Oh, by the way, I lost the other one, the one that I lost my funded, because I withdrew all the profits from there, and I had like $8 left, not enough wiggle room, and then ultimately lost that. And then I bought the second challenge, and I also lost that one because of this trade. This trade made me lose, because I had like $30 left, and I'm like, okay, I gotta risk it and see if I can make back everything. So I was in good profits, and then the Tuesday, I was just checking in every now and then. I checked Tuesday, and prices started buying crazy, and it indicated that it wanted to buy now, but I didn't see that. I did mark up my lower highs. I did see it, but I wasn't looking for that. I was just looking, am I in profit? So I guess when you swing trade, it's good to just check in just to see if you're in the right, if you're still in the right trend. But I wasn't looking for that. I was just looking like, am I in profits? Am I in profits now? Okay, am I gonna get stopped out? I'm not looking to see what price is doing, and that was my mistake. I mean, it's not a bad thing to check. I mean, it kind of did, like, not stress me out. Like, I'll just check every now and then, like, okay, cool. But then I didn't look for the signs that, okay, price wants to buy now. And I only realized afterwards, I'm like, oh, okay, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, it indicated above my swing highs, my lower highs, which is not supposed to. And then it started making higher levels of support. I was like, oh shit, okay, that should have been my sign to exit. And then also on Thursday, I think, when it just stopped me out, it could have been a perfect entry for me to enter a buy, because it bought crazy, bro. Like it really bought. And it's like, shit, okay, damn. So that's what I learned. I learned that if I'm on a swing trade, I should be checking in to see if I'm still in the right trend. Did it break any low highs, any high lows, or anything like that, depending on the trend. And then if it didn't break anything, cool. Put my phone away for the day, or for the next few hours, just check in again later to see if I'm still in the same trend. But not to look for, the bad part was like, I'm looking to see if I'm making money. I'm too fixated on the money part, which I'm not supposed to. So yeah, I guess that's like a big learning curve for me, because it's my first time even holding a trade for that long. Like, I've never held a trade for that long, like ever. Like, to me in the past, I would have closed when I saw $90, but it's like, stick to the plan. Either hits my stop loss or it hits my take profit. I'm not closing. I'm gonna wait. But then I didn't see the signs, so now it's like, okay, that's what I learned. Like, okay, I need to check the signs, see if I'm still in the right trend. If it did indicate, then okay, close, then wait for it to reverse. Maybe I close a little bit of loss or maybe a little bit of profit, it's fine, and then just wait for the next setup, because it literally did not want to move down in the 1 hour and the 4 hour. It didn't want to move down, and then on Thursday just made a very high, like the support was here like Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday made a support like this, then it just started buying up crazy, and I would have made some decent profits, but it's okay. And that's what I learned, man. I'm too fixated on the outcome or the money part, but I just need to like remove myself from that. And yeah, and I guess also now what I realize is that I think I'm down with prop firms now. I mean, I got the taste, I got to pass the account, and it's like got my payouts. Like, damn, okay, I did this. I learned to always put a stop loss. I learned basically, it showed me that I can trade. It shows me that I know what I'm doing. I'm just making stupid mistakes here and there. And that's my reason is because also I'm leaving prop firms, and I'm gonna go to a micro account, treat that like, because obviously it's not my money. I mean, I still feel like shit when I lose with the prop firm or when I lost with the prop firm, but then with this, it's like, with what I learned is that I know how to trade, because I had the 2 funded accounts, I blew them, kind of didn't really know what I was doing. Fine, got my third one, really locked in, and I was in heavy drawdown, right? And then I built that account back up, passed it, got the need funded, grew that one to like $500 maybe, lost some, so I was like, damn, and then got my payout. So when I was calculating, it's like, damn, I made well over 20K trading with demo money. And I picked up my account from ICU, brought it back to life, good as new, got my payout, and saved that capital to the side. So I was like, maybe I should just not do this anymore, because essentially, if I was trading with my, say for example, I was trading with a micro account, still my capital, but not a lot of capital, just like a little bit, like that same money that I had, okay, I probably would have lost it and I would have funded more. I would have lost more money personally, but I would have made money at the same time. So that also taught me like risk management. Okay, I gotta risk, maybe if I'm putting 100 rand just to learn and just to build it slowly, I risk 20 rand a trade, and then I enter, put my stop loss at the right level. If it's not there, then I just make it a little bit more, then grow it. Then I would have made more money and had real capital, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna move to a live account in the next few months, in the next 3 months. So I need to also get good at losing, which is what I'm doing now, learning from my mistakes, and also being comfortable with putting my money on the line, because I was essentially trading with demo money, because I could just lose. I already lost my 200 rand that I invested for this funded account. And so cool. I learned risk management. I learned how to risk, how to manage my risk, how to enter, when to exit, what to look out for, and I feel like that for me is enough now. And I am completely like at a point now where I can just do my own thing now. For the next 2 months, I'm still gonna be saving. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of money here into my micro. I'm not over leveraging, I'm not over risking, I'm still taking it serious. Like, okay, this 100 rand is 10,000 rand. How am I gonna flip this account now? Not flip it, but how am I gonna grow this account? Trade. Wait for high quality setups, swing trade, hold it for some time, and yeah. So yesterday I deposited like 160 rand. I had like 4 rand in that account, so I went, okay, let me just make it a 120, even 120. Then I was waiting for setups. Didn't see a setup the whole day until, because price is just on a heavy correction. So I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for it to start buying now. And then yeah, I entered. I was in drawdown, but then I'm in profits now, but the markets are closed. So same thing as last week, I'm gonna hold it and just see if there's any indications or anything like that. And yeah, the daily source for me, the source is 4 hour, 1 hour daily. I would use, but really the 4 hour and 1 hour is like my main thing. 4 hours for structure. Maybe like I could use it for entries, but 1 hour is most also for structure and entries. I don't use 15 minute, I don't use 5 minute, because those time frames always rob me. Always rob me. So I know if in that 1 hour candle and it closes like with a blue candle, whatever, high, like a high low, I know out of that whole manipulation of it being in a trend, now it's ready to buy up, now it's done. So that for me works. It's been working. Yeah, because I just could not win. I mean, I did with TJ strategy, but now it's like, nah, bro. Now I know what to see. Now I know what I'm looking out for. And then yeah, I was just testing it out last night. Nasdaq gave me indication, corrected. I entered. I was in good profits, but then it didn't want me to set a stop loss or a take profit. I'm like, what the fuck? What if this thing just starts buying and just blows my account? So I closed it like a little bit of profits. I'm like, nah. Then UK 100 did the same thing, but when I pressed buy, it didn't do anything. Then I pressed buy again, then opened 2 positions. I'm like, shit. Okay, now I'm risking 40 rand on this account. Let me just see it, but it's still a little bit like very minimal profit. Then I did the same thing on gold. So now those are my 3 pairs. I want to do Nasdaq. I like Nasdaq. I won't lie. It has good structure, but yo, I don't know, bro. It's the fact that it didn't want me to put a stop loss is crazy, and I don't want to focus on too many pairs, bro. Like I don't want to, I want to keep doing what I've been doing, and I'll just look at it and like forward test it, and then yeah. But German, UK, gold, and at least have like one pair for like New York session. But I know either way, German 30, UK 100 still move in the New York session, so it's okay. But yeah, that's what I learned, man. I'm about to work out now, and then yeah, head out to work. I'm about to make a video for TikTok now, and then I'm done. So yeah, still got a long way. The time this video, like obviously I said it's December, but by the time I post this video, yeah, it'll be like Jan. Like got 3 more months to really lock in and know what to look out for setups and stuff like that, and take less trades, because I'm seeing that less trades is really much better than, because if I applied the same mentality that week, I would still have my funded, but if I didn't lose, then I wouldn't move away from it, if that makes sense. So everything happens for a reason. So yeah, not to bite your head off, but yeah, 3 more months by the time this video drops, and yeah, we are lucky, baby. Like 2026, bro. 2026 is definitely gonna be a good year, bro. Definitely. But yeah, I'm gonna go for TikTok, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, and you'll also be getting less of these videos because I want to take quality trades and then break them down, what I was seeing and what I saw. I don't want to just blabber on and on and on and on. And this also allows me to not just come on here and just talk and have no point in the video. Like I want to have a reason why I want to explain. I mean, it's good that I did this for like the past 3 months, uploaded consistently, recorded consistently, but now I got that quantity out. Now I'm trying to focus more on quality and speak about things that actually make sense. So I don't know how this is gonna work in terms of like videos, like uploading schedule, but I'll figure it out. But there are other things I'm gonna be uploading and talking about and all that. So it won't just be about trading, bro. This channel is gonna be about me. It's my channel. If you like it, cool. If you don't, it's okay. Yeah, but I want to build a community outside of just trading. Like we have traders are not just into the charts. Like I'm also trying to remove myself from that my mental state of just focusing on trading. Like I also want to focus on life aspects, hobbies, and all that stuff. So you definitely be getting more breakdowns of songs that I've made, talking about anime, gaming, like a whole lot of stuff, bro. Fashion, not so much. Yeah, I'll see. But anyway, let me dip.